Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. And for today's video nga pala is we're going to Narbonne kasi may summer vacation nga yung husband ko. So, ngayon yung araw na pupunta kami doon. So, 1 hour train yung travel. So, yeah. This is my outfit for today. Dress from Temu. Ang cute niya. And this is for Chloe. Also, this is for from Temu. Hi, Chloe! So cute dress. Medyo, I don't know, maybe pag ganyan siya. Wait. Chim, 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 Chloe! Yan, so cute, Chloe. Ayan. So, medyo makulimlim ngayon dito sa amin, sa Toulouse. Kaya hopefully hindi kami mabasa ng ulan sa labas. So medyo makulimlim siya ngayon. So yun. Anyways, naka-impake na rin kami. So i-close ko na lang siya. Ito yung lahat na dadalhin namin. And what else? Yan yung bag. So yung bag ko. And of course, the most important is Chloe. Chloe. Chloe, hi. Chi, chi, chi. Chi, chi, chi. Is that your phone? I thought it's yours. It sounds like yours because it's so very near.
Huh?
Go. There's no, ano? This, I need to wait here. So, nandito na kami ngayon sa may... Init.
Taxi, hein.
There's a taxi. Taxi. Gonna ride some taxi here. Across the road. Init. Yeah. Taxi.
Oui.
Je vous avoue qu'il me tardait de prendre une course jusqu'à la gare parce que je me réserve au chaud.
We're here. Nandito na kami guys sa labas ng ano. I don't know kung saan dito yung nirent ni Adrin. So ito yung lugar. Ito siya. So yun yung taxi na ano. Nandito ni Chloe. Grabing bigat na ni Kuwing. Kuwing! Gandang-gandang baby. So yun nga. Mga 2 hours yung travel din namin. Kaya yun. So far, good girl si Chloe. So, this is it.
Ah.
So, yung susi, dyan ng ano, iniwan. So, yun. Hi, go. Wee! Love, help me, Danay, love.
Ah, you're filming?
Yes, because I'm filming. Up, more up, more up.
In case,
Wee!
Open
Oh, it's aircon, char. Wow, nice here. You have a... So, ito yung place niya. Wow. There's a sofa here. So, I will put my stuff here because sobrang bigat. Ayan. So, we're here na guys. With this little patoti. Chloe, so, ito yung ano, yung, well, outdoor, give you a small tour sa bahay na nirent namin dito. Ayan. Ayan. Meron siyang refrigerator and also, the most important is aircon. Aircon siya. Ayan. And then, there's a chair here. So, hindi pa namin natanggal. Kakarating lang kasi namin. So, ayan. Yan. Hello everyone! So, I'll give you a quick tour dito sa nirent naming bahay. Dito sa village. Mga 1 or 2 hours away ito sa Toulouse. Summer vacation pala ng asawa ko, kaya nagbakasyon din kami. So, yung sa lamesa nga ay medyo makalat kasi nag-coffee kami. And also, ito nga yung kusina nila. And also, may refrigerator at aircon. Nowadays kasi ang init, pero dito ngayon is makulimlim and medyo maulan. So dito nga, if malaki yung pamilya nyo, ito ay magandang lugar para magstay. So dito nga, inopen ko at taran! Ito ay magandang activities. Mag-bike kayo or anong tawag dun sa isang thing na if mag-activities kayo. So babalik tayo sa loob. And yun nga, hanggang 3rd floor pala ito. So yun si Chloe, pina-play ko lang dyan. And you know what? Kasi pag hotel, sobrang mahal. So, sabi ng asawa ko, mag-rent na lang kami ng bahay na 30 minutes by bus pag going to beach. Kasi pupunta kami ng beach. So, ito nga, first room, may crib din sila pag may baby ka. Pero hindi nagamit ni Chloe yan Tiyanan, aura-aura tayo. So, medyo makalat kasi kinuha ko yung unan at saka yung blanket. So, ito yung yung bathroom nila. So, yun nga, malaki yung mirror. And ito yung shower area nila. And ito yung, palikuran nila. Yun, medyo madilim kayo. Inopen ko yung lights. So, punta naman tayo sa 3rd floor nila. Ang pangalan pala ng village nito ay Sijo. 2 hours by train sa city ng Narbonne. 25 minutes by taxi papunta rito. Sobrang worth it dito. Yung unang bunga dito sa 3rd floor is may mirror and table. And ito yung second room nila. So, may 2 bed. So, meron closet at window there. So, yun, may chair din. So, ang ganda nito. So, dito nga sa next na higaan, dyan kami natulog ni Chloe. So, minumove ko lang yung and may aircon din pala dito sa 3rd floor. And 2 lamp. So, may TV pala dito. And dito nga, ito yung window nila sa 3rd floor. Hindi maganda yung, yung view, pero okay lang yun. So, ito nga, may mirror din sila. Yan, aura ulit. Kasi, mahilig talaga ako sa mirror. So, maganda dito, guys, as in. That's all for today's, guys. Bye-bye! Hey, Chloe, wing! Outside with Chloe. We will go to the Carrefour. It's no Carrefour. Okay.
There is another one.
Okay.
We don't have bags, so...
Ay. True. We want to bring... I don't know if we have bag here.
We don't have bag.
So? Napakakulimlim ngayon dito. Where are your eyes? Where could it be? Where are your eyes? Bonjour. Where are your eyes? Where could it be? Where are your eyes? Where could it be? Kaya yogurt. She's enjoying. Happy ba? Happy ba? Happy. Going ba? She's happy. Are you happy? Hmm? Chloe's so happy. Where are your eyes? Where could it be? Where are your eyes? Where could it be? Happy going ba? Are you happy? Where are your eyes? Where could it be? Where are your eyes? What could it be? Hello? Where are your eyes? Where could it be? Where are your eyes? Mapash. Wee! There's a restaurant here. Oh.
Really? Bar.
Where? Oh. Mini store gali. Oh, near. Oh. May pharmacy man. Very near from everything. Wing wing! Yes, wing wing! Where are your eyes? Where could it be? Where are your eyes? Good to walk since it's cloudy. Here, oh? No. Let's try. I just don't see anything. Okay. Okay. We're waving, we're waving, we're waving, waving, waving. She's happy. Some bread. Maybe small bread lang. Maybe this all. It's like there's a butter bread. Butter. Yes. Egg. 2 eggs. There's no scrub here. Scrub. Scrub. No. For a shower.
Ah oui,
Oh, baby.
Ah ouais, ok, je vois. En tout cas, on fait rail, mais ouais, c'est pas ce qui m'intéresse.